Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet, and welcome to another episode of Junk Journal July for 2025. So let's grab our junk journals or our art journals and dive in today's creative session. For day 20, our prompt is Art Deco. As always, let's dive in and first pick the right spread for today's prompt. It's getting a bit more difficult now that my journal is finally filling up, but for today I found the right spread to use, which is this spread with the old vintage book page with the calligraphy type of writing and a bit of some patterns, and I thought that would fit the Art Deco kind of style of patterns really well. Then I did pick out this transparent envelope to make something that reminds of like those old windows with the pattern, and I kind of had to think about all the glassware that was really popular back then with all those different intricate details, and I really wanted to incorporate that into the spread for today. But to be honest, this spread was kind of a difficult one for me. First, I really had to think about the prompt for a while. Here I'm just digging through some different stickers to see if there are some vintage-inspired kind of stickers that I could use for today's spread, but I didn't really find a lot of useful things, just this little numbers tag that I thought would be an interesting detail for this spread. So I decided to just cut out the backside of the envelope to not waste so much transparent paper on the backside of the spread, and then did again glue that back down with some washi tape and cut out this old music sheet kind of paper to make a silhouette of a little city or a skyline, because I kind of always think about those architectural like buildings and details when I think about Art Deco, and so I thought some graphic things would fit the vibe of today's spread really well. And to be honest, I'm really happy with how this turned out, even though it was one of the more difficult spreads. So like I always preach, it kind of pays off to stick through and create even on the days where you don't feel like creating, or you don't have something in mind at the start when you sit down. Just sit down anyways and create, like Liz Gilbert said in The Big Magic, don't wait for inspiration to sit down and create art. Inspiration has to find you working to come. So sit down and create something today, and you might find some inspirational gold on your journey. Or even if you don't, you can be proud of yourself for sticking through and creating something. So I would highly encourage everyone to make your creative practice a daily habit, and not every spread has to be a perfect masterpiece to be valid. It's all about the creative process, not the outcome. Now this is the final look at today's spread. I'm really happy with how this turned out. I hope you enjoyed today's creative session and you had some fun creating alongside with me. If you enjoyed the video, a thumbs up would make me really happy, and if you want to join me on this creative adventure and many more creative adventures to come, hit the subscribe button down below. Happy creating!